How to use Voice AI by Coolpo. Download and install the Voice AI app. Click Sign Up to register an account. Create an account by typing your name, email address, password, and the invitation code from Coolpo. Follow the links to verify your email address. Once that is done, sign in to the website and app using your credentials. Don't forget to go to your system sound settings and choose Coolpo Virtual Audio as your speaker and microphone. On the Voice AI app, choose your preferred microphone and speaker from the respective drop-down lists. Let's listen to the audio input and output test.
Mr. and Mrs. Dursley of number 4 Privet Drive were proud to say that they were perfectly normal. Thank you very much. They were the last people you'd expect to be involved in anything strange or mysterious because they just didn't.
So Coolpo was established in 2019. We've been in the IT industry for 4 years. We provide portable devices such as audio and video conferencing systems. Those devices are equipped with AI capabilities in Germany and China. So Coolpo was established in 2019. We've been in the IT industry for 4 years. We provide portable devices such as audio and video conferencing systems.
Thank you for watching.